How to delete friends in T3 Arena. Hi everybody, welcome back to Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, we are going to learn a genuine step-by-step process on how to delete friends in T3 Arena so that you can manage your social connections efficiently. First things first, launch open the T3 Arena game on your device, and once you're inside this lobby screen, go ahead and click on the two human icons at the top right corner to open the Friends tab. This will open the Social tab. Underneath Friends, look for the friend you want to delete or remove and tap on their profile avatar. In the pop-up, click the three dots right next to the Friends profile icon and you'll see this Delete button. To remove or delete your friend from the list, click on the arrow button right next to Delete and click Confirm in the pop-up. Soon after you click Confirm, you will be able to remove the friend immediately from your friend list and you will no longer see them as a friend in the game. So that's it. You have successfully removed or deleted a friend in T3 Arena. Removing a friend does not block them. They can still send friend requests in the future and you will lose any ongoing party invitations or benefits associated with that friend. Deleting friends in T3 Arena is a simple way to manage your friend list and keep it organized. Follow these steps to safely remove unwanted connections and maintain your social space in the game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll be back in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.